Are you a guy that can't get a girl? Do you not know why? Well, I'm about to tell you all the secrets in this video, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Social Cues. My name is Omar. Here at Social Cues, we help you unleash your inner social potential so you become a more positive influence in people's lives. Or, in this video's case, your own life. So a lot of guys struggle with getting girls and they don't know why. So I'm going to go over what guys aren't doing and what they are doing that they shouldn't. So let's jump right into it. So a lot of what guys don't do is be confident. So, you know those guys who can get all the girls even though you're like, they don't have a single smart bone in their body. They're just like this guy who just uses all the girls and doesn't actually care about them, but yet they keep coming to him. What's up with that? Not always, but usually people like this are very arrogant and they're very boastful and they're very confident. And women like that because naturally you want somebody to protect you. You want somebody who's confident enough, who can, you know, save you if danger arises, right? They find security in these confident men because if anybody comes up to them, they'd be like, look at my girl, what's up? That's what I thought, go away. Like, you know, and girls are like, ooh, my man. So be confident when you're talking to women. Don't show that you're scared, don't show that you're nervous because they can pick up on that really easily. I actually have a video on confidence. If you guys want to check that out, I'll put that in the info card above. And the next step is shooting your shot correctly. So a lot of guys don't shoot their shot correctly. So shooting your shot means going for some type of interaction that's going to lead to a more close relationship with this female. So a lot of guys will shoot their shot at the wrong time or just not do it correctly to begin with. The wrong time to shoot your shot is not in casual conversation. So if you just literally go up to them with the sole intent of trying to hit on them or trying to flirt with them, I mean, if you're not really good at it, it's going to backfire on you because they're literally going to come up like this. Hello. Oh, pickup line? I guess. Nah, it's not that good. So make sure that you're setting it up in a casual conversation because in a casual conversation, they're talking back to you because they want to. So that's already an open door for you to kind of progress your romantic relationship with them. So don't just do it out of the blue because women really don't appreciate that. Doing it in the wrong way as well can be like just commenting on their physical appearance because yeah, women sometimes deal with insecurities and that's okay. But a lot of the time, if you just say, oh yeah, you look beautiful, you look pretty, or it's a nice dress, that's really superficial things that yeah, they would appreciate, but they know you're only doing it because you're trying to hit on them. It's kind of obvious, especially if you don't say it like every day. If you do say it every single day, you might come off creepy. So not every day, but every other day. If it's a normal thing you do, then it's okay. But if it's not, and you're just like, oh yeah, you look really pretty today, then you're like, oh thank you, you know, you're trying to hit on me. So talk about something that's really about them. Like, oh yeah, like you're always reading. You must be really smart. You must like actually like enjoying diving into these worlds of books. You know, tell me more about that. Like, oh, he wants to know about me. Okay, that's kind of unique. That's kind of cool. That's kind of new. Or you could be like, hey, I saw you talking to that person over there, and their body language was just so upbeat. You know, like I feel like you're really close to that person. Are you? Oh, you're not. Well, I mean, you must have a way with people then. Yes, the way I'm delivering these lines to you guys are very camera-worthy, very cheesy, but the general premise is there, and if you add your own stylistic spin on it, it should work fine for you. Now, what guys are doing that they shouldn't be doing is going right for the kill without any weapons per se, right? So most guys just go up to girls like, hey, how you doing? How you been? I haven't talked to you ever in life, but now I want to talk to you because I see that you're no longer with the other guy. Like, it's very, very easy to sway women away from you if you just go right for the kill. So something that you should do if you're one of those people is slow your roll and take your time to get to know this person without being very obvious. The only time you should be obvious is if you don't have a lot of time with this person. So if you're trying to hit on somebody across the counter, like, oh, so what time do you get off work today? Like, you're never going to see them again. You need to shoot your shot right then and there. But otherwise, especially if you know this person in person, take your time to get to know them. Layer your interactions with them. Make sure they're positive ones. And over time, they're going to see you as somebody who's in their life and somebody who they enjoy being around. Then it's so much easier to actually ask them out on a date versus just cold turkey. Like, hey, you don't really know much about me, but you want to go out with me alone? It's bad. It's really bad. Don't do that. Story time. So one of my friends has recently been single, and all she's been getting is, hey, you want to go out for a drink? Hey, you want to hang out? Hey, how have you been? I haven't talked to you in a while. Why would this person want to engage with people that she's never talked to in months, maybe even years? It doesn't make any sense. Like, I wouldn't. If somebody came up to me like, hey, you want to go out for drinks later? Like, I haven't talked to you in 6 years, and that's the first thing you say to me? Like, no, I don't want to go out on drinks with you. It's common sense. It's not that hard. This is a prime example of people going for the kill when they have nothing to base the kill off of. So don't just go out and be like, hey, hang out with me, because that's not going to go out for anybody in any situation. Guys think girls are complex, and girls think guys are obvious. So when you try to hit on a girl, they know it. They know it from the very second you try. But most guys think girls are complex because they're being very simple-minded about it. So make sure you hang out with this person over time, make them enjoy you as a human being, and then slowly but surely they will be more accepting of you and want to go out with you alone. That's it. It's shocking how many people just don't understand the simple concept. So start applying that in your relationship, romantic life, and you're going to get a lot better at it. Thank you for watching my video on why guys can't get girls. So if you haven't already, check out my Instagram and my Facebook for some more laid out written information. And I have a question for you guys. Guys, count how many girls you guys have hit on in the past 2 months, and what's the number and ratio? If it's a high number with a high amount of rejections, your ratio is going to be pretty bad. So kind of self-reflect and see why that is. Probably after watching this video, you can know why that's happening to you. And if the number's too low, then get out there more, be more confident, don't be shy, just take a shot. When people say the worst they can say is no, it's really true. The worst a woman can say is no, and you feel bad, and you're like, oh shit, that was embarrassing, and then you don't see him again, and then you're fine. Done. You've learned from it, you've grown from it, so just shoot your shot, and even if it's a small shot, at least you tried, at least you've done something, and that will forward your romantic skills. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in a later video here at Social Cues. Go get 'em, Tiger.